Alright, I'm doing this video for you so that you can know how to purchase NECO or WAEC Scratchcard from the platform. So once you go to your dashboard, this is for the mobile application. Once you go to the mobile application, you can just click on the more services that is here. Can you see it? Look well, can you see it here? Once you click on the more services, you're going to go to educational pin. So once you click on the educational pin, you're going to select the exam you want to purchase, the scratch card or the token you want to purchase at that time. But now I'm going to choose NECO. Once you choose NECO, the amount to come, the amount to pay, depending on your package. So depending on the price you pay. So some on the default, some people to be 900 as at when this video was made, and then all you don't need to do is just to click on generate pin. I'm going to use my fingerprint now. I'm just generating so you can see it. So you have generated one now, you click on OK. So with this OK, you're going to see the pin. So where this pin is written, that is where the pin is. So you can just screenshot this and copy out that pin. Thank you. So now on the app, on the website, for instance, so you what to do is you log into your account on the website, and then you scroll down, you go to result checker. Can you see? So remember I logged in, I scroll down, and then you see that result checker there, right? So you click on it. Once you click on it, you click on just the same thing. You click on the exam name, NECO. See the amount here is now 100. I'm using a different account. That one is admin account. This is different. So once you click on generate. Once you generate, you click on EX. You put your pin. Sorry. So once you click on your pin, you're going to generate the receipt. You're going to generate the pin. Then you click on view receipt. Once you click on view receipt, you are going to see the token there. So you can just click on this, you can copy it, you can also screenshot and send to your user. Alright, because I'm using Datamesolution, anytime you generate a token, we can give you a design. We posted it on the platform. I'm coming, so we can give you a design like this. So when you generate it, it can help you make a design like this that you can send to your customer. So it's like a form of customization, and you get it for free if you use our platform to generate your token. Thank you.